This is a bit of an odd time to start a video because I'm sitting on my couch and I'm rewatching Stranger Things at the moment, and I have to talk quietly because my daughter is asleep. I was gonna crochet and I thought maybe I should film it because I did want to start kind of like a series on my channel where I pick up abandoned crochet projects and then finish them or do something with them. So I've actually got these granny squares here that I made months ago, and I don't even know why I was making them, but I've got I think 8 squares. So I've got like 4 brown ones, 2 pink ones, 2 mint ones. They're like daisy granny squares, and I think I'm going to turn them into a little bag for my daughter because she was carrying around her like crochet food and fruit and whatever I've made her, and she's like trying to hold it all even though she could use one of her toy baskets or whatever. I was like, maybe I should turn this into a little bag. So I think I'm just going to crochet join them all together with a white yarn. This is a white yarn that needs to be used, so I just kind of want to get through my yarn stash and I just want to make a little bag. And I've never crochet joined before, so I'm going to like granny square stitch around and then like join them together. I watched a video before. I don't know how it's going to go. Hopefully you enjoy this process while I sit here, watch TV, crochet, little crochet with me, get comfortable. I'm in my robe, got my pajamas on. I haven't taken my makeup off, which I need to do, but anyway, I'm wondering if I do like mint and brown on one side and then pink and brown on the other. Yeah, I think I might do that. By the way, if you guys want the tutorial on how to crochet join, I'll leave it linked down below. Like I said, I've never done it before, so let's see what happens. I'm just starting in the corner using a 4mm hook, just DK yarn. This is a little bit thin, like thinner than I would want, but I'm just using what I've got. But yeah, I just wanted something to crochet where I didn't need to think about it too much because I wanted to crochet a little bit more of my hungry caterpillar. But the thing is, like, I have to really focus on the pattern. I just kind of want to watch TV and crochet and relax and not be like, okay, what do I do next? Sometimes you just want those like watching TV crochet moments where you're not like all in the project. I would love to crochet during the day, but it's just not possible with a toddler. It's also not possible to film with a toddler. By the way, I didn't block any of these, so we're just letting it happen how it happens. I do have some more granny squares in the garage. Odd place to have them. My moon and star granny squares. Another one I need to figure out what I want to do with. They're just sitting there. Maybe that's like another thing I can work out. So that's what it's looking like. I'm going to go around one more side, and then that's when I need to pull in another granny square and start joining, and you leave, I think, this side bare. When you come back around, you finish it off. I'm not completely sure. I didn't finish watching the video, so hopefully I do it okay. I've managed to join them together. It's looking really good. If I make a granny square blanket ever in the future, this joining method is amazing and actually fun to do. The last blanket that I did, which was for Lily, I hand sewed that and I wanted to like hit my face onto the wall. Oh my god, it was like I never wanted to do that again. The blanket itself looks really cute. I'll have to show you guys one time. Also, Hopper on Stranger Things is really hot. Me and my friend were talking about that the other week. We were just like, he's hot, he's giving daddy, he's giving I'll look after you, I'll support you. Okay, just a little check-in. I think I figured out what I was doing, but I'll just show you. I've got it going. I'm just going to continue down here, and then I think I'll go in and then out and then go all the way around until the start, and then I'm thinking I might do like a single crochet just to make it like neater on the outside, but I think I worked it out. Sorry if you can hear the TV. It's the next day. Sorry, there's like chaotic mess behind me because I'm in Lily's playroom basically, but this is what I did last night. So I connected 4 of the squares. It looks so cute. I actually had so much fun joining this way, and it makes me want to make a blanket. And then today I did do like a little bit while Lily's been awake, and surprisingly she wasn't like all up in my face. She was just like playing next to me. She was interested though, and I've got about this much happening with this one. I'm not sure if I'm just going to sew both of them together or if I want to do like a little strap and then have that strap also be the side of the bag and bottom of the bag. I'm not too fussed because obviously this is just kind of like a quick little fun project for Lily to just put some toys and stuff in. I also don't want the strap to be too long. Not that I'd leave her alone with the bag, but you know, you've got to be careful because you don't want straps to be too long to wrap around their necks, and toddlers just get themselves in all different predicaments. So, little update on the bag. I have sewn it together. This is it inside out. Yeah. Let me turn it the right way so you guys can see. I probably could have slip stitched this together, but I just hand sewed it together. I was going to do 2 straps, but I'm thinking I might just keep it as one. It's only for Lily anyway. I made a strap. This is just single crochets. Probably going to stretch a bit, but it is what it is. I know there's probably straps out there. I've seen tutorials where people have like good stitches to use for straps that don't stretch out so much, because this is acrylic, so it is probably going to misshape a little bit. So I'm thinking I might just sew the straps on here. You probably can hear my heater turning on because it is bloody cold. I've just sewn that on. I think that looks pretty good. That will do. I'll just secure this and then I'll attach it to the other side. My little bag project is finished. I've put the strap on and this is what it's looking like. It's not perfect, but I still love it. So this is the pink and brown side. My daughter has just woken up. I can see her on the monitor. This is the brown and mint side. I love it so much. It's so cute. I did the strap not too long because she's a little person. So yeah, my daughter is literally jumping out of bed, so I'm gonna have to wrap this video up. So I hope you guys enjoyed and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys really soon. Bye. Can you look at your back? Mummy made this for you. Do you want to put it on your shoulder? Camera. There you go. It's on her little shoulder. She just woke up. She's a bit grumpy.